Now children, today let's start with chapter number 9, electricity and circuit. So in this chapter, let's study about electricity and circuit. Look at the picture of the electric appliances. आपको name करना है इन appliances को. So can you imagine life without electricity? Your answer would be absolutely no. We use variety of things in our day-to-day life to run electricity. Like we have lights, radio, television, computer, refrigerator. Electricity जो होती है कि important role play करते हैं in our daily life. On it lights, heats and cools our homes and also perform number of routine jobs. Each times when you plug in electric appliances, they start working. Why? Because energy known as electric current, it is generated in power station and where it is brought? It are brought at homes by wires. So, we use electricity for many purposes to make tasks easier. We use electricity to operate pumps that lift water from the wells or from the ground level. Right? In a situation, a torch is sometimes used for providing light. A torch has a bulb that lights up when switched on. But a natural question arises, where does the torch get electricity from? Torch को electricity मिलती कहाँ से? So, let's further start with the chapter electricity, electric cell. So, electric current is the flow of charge, gives light or gives heat. वही light भी देता है, heat भी देता है. So, sources of electric current, first is electric cell. ये एक small source है. What happens cells में क्या होता है, जो chemical energy होती है, वो electric energy में change हो जाती है. So the fact that chemical reaction produce electric effect was discovered accidentally in 1790 by Luigi Galvani, a professor है and Antonio University of Bologna, Italy. It founded an electric current followed across the two dissimilar metals between where there is a moist substance. A cell basically consists of two terminals, a metal cap on one side and disc on another. The metal cap is the positive terminal and the metal disc work as a negative terminal. ठीक है, और ये chemical store करके रखता है whatever the cell reduce. Now types of electric cell. Let's study all the different types. Based on the method by which electric current is produced, electric cell are kind of two types. Primary cell होता है और secondary cell होता है. So we can say that primary cell can be used only once and so have been discarded after being used. जो bottom cells होते हैं उसकी जो shape होती है वो कैसी होती है, उसका small button होता है. और जो secondary cell होता है उसको हम recharge कर सकते हैं electrically. इसमें हम बैटरी का यूज करके आप मोबाइल फोन का देख लीजिए, आप इसको चार्ज कर लेते हैं, वो सेकेंडरी सेल होता है. नाउ अ थर्ड काइंड ऑफ सेल इज नोन एज सोलर सेल, जिसको हम लाइट एनर्जी को किसमें कन्वर्ट करता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, अ डिवाइस दैट यूजेस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू प्रोड्यूस लाइट. ये क्या करता है, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को थ्रू वायर्स भेजता है विच गेट हीटेड एंड ग्लो और प्रोड्यूस लाइट. सो वी कैन से वी हैव ग्लास बल्ब विच इज मेड अप ऑफ थिन ग्लास. इसमें इनर्ट गैस होती है, जैसे प्रेफरेबली तो आपकी आर्गन ही होती है. देन वी हैव फिलामेंट, ये थिन कोलाइड वायर. देखो ये आपका फिलामेंट, ये क्या होता है, एक थिन कोलाइड वायर जो टंगस्टन का बना होता है, वो फिक्स्ड होता है मिडल ऑफ द ग्लास बल्ब. ये फिक्स्ड होता है ऑफ टू थिक वायर्स जो क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं, सपोर्ट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट बेस ऑफ द बल्ब, लोअर पार्ट होता है उसमें कैप होती है and one thick wire it supports filament is connected to metal base of the bulb. और जो outer wire होता है वो किससे connected होता है, metal case से जो above the metal base है. So if the filament of the bulb is broken, अगर देखो ये filament टूट जाता है तो what happen, the bulb will not be glow, मतलब वो जलेगा. Now a bulb connected to an electric cell. What is electric circuit now? So the closed path in which current flows are called electric circuit. The complete path from one terminal to the electric bulb and back to the other terminal, it is known as electric circuit. What are the different components? Basically, we have three essential parts of the electric circuit: our power source, battery generator, load, connectors to join together. Fourth part, which is very important to have in most circuit, वो क्या होता है, कंट्रोल डिवाइस. जैसा आपका स्विच हो गया, सर्किट ब्रेकर हो गया, राइट. Open and closed circuit. Electricity only travel around a circuit that is complete or closed. Electric current will not flow into the circuit. ठीक है, वो कभी भी flow नहीं करेगा. That is broken. Such circuit is known as open circuit. So in a circuit, अगर wire cut है, ठीक है, अगर जो आपका wire है वो cut है और जो flow of current है वो stop हो जाता है. What happen? It gets stopped. We say that circuit is open or incomplete. So open circuit, no current flows. The flow of current किससे indicate करा जाता है, by the glow of bulb. This is a circuit diagram. ठीक है. Here some symbols are also given. Like you can see this is wire, this is resistor, light bulb, cell, battery और switch. So simple circuit जो होता है उसमें cell होता है और resistor of the bulb होता है. Direction of the flow of electric current. देखो we have conductor and insulator. ठीक, conductor जो material allow करता है electricity to pass through them उसे हम conductor कहते हैं. Right, like copper, aluminium, silver, right? आयरन, ब्रास और सल्फर. सिल्वर सबसे बेस्ट कंडक्टर है बट इट इज नॉट यूज्ड एज अ कंडक्टर बिकॉज ये बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव मेटल होता है. देन वी हैव इंसुलेटर जो अलाउ नहीं करता इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू पास थ्रू देम. लाइक वी हैव हाई रेजिस्टेंट एयर, प्लास्टिक, कॉटन, रबर, वुड, पेपर, ग्लास. These all are insulator. Next is activities given to you about the conductor and non-conductor. You can perform it. Different procedure is given. Right? You can check it by doing at home. Now we have danger of electricity and electrical safety measures. So danger of electricity include variety of hazard. Mostly क्या होता है? There is a fear of electric shock that could arise by operating electrical appliances at home. Like putting metal object at plug point, child putting finger at plug point, too many connection at one place, या broken insulator. So let's study with electricity safety measures. So educating ourselves about electrical safety is important to stay safe from electrical appliances. What are the following measures? First is never touch electric appliances switches with wet hands or when standing. अगर आप wet floor पे खड़े हो या wet hand है तो आपको electric appliances को touch नहीं करें. Switch off all plugs when not in use. Disconnect the power source before repairing an electric appliances. Never touch bare of broken wires. Always use footwear made of rubber while using electric appliances. If a person comes in contact with live electric conductor, आपको क्या करना है? Power source को immediately disconnect करना है. Be sure that hands are dry. जब आप कोई भी electric appliances को handle कर रहे हैं, आपको देखना है कि आपके hands जो होने चाहिए वो dry होने चाहिए. Right? These are some safety measures. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.